Hi, I'm back with another recipe on how to make oatmeal bar. So what you'll be needing for this is oats and nuts of your choice. Basically, I make this oatmeal bar because they are one of the healthy snacks my kids love to have. They are soft enough for little fingers and mouth. Next, mix it up together and then keep it aside. You can enjoy this oatmeal bar in the morning for breakfast or in the midday as snacks. Then mix your honey, sunflower oil, and coconut vanilla together. This oatmeal bar recipe is like oatmeal in a bar form, and it is good for breakfast and snacking. So I'm adding this vanilla to give it a flavor. Then mix them all together properly. One good thing about homemade food is that you get to do it the way you want it. Your way, your style. Then mix the wet ingredients together. Now combining the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and give it a good stir. After mixing it together properly, let the mixture sit for 20 minutes so the oats absorb the moisture and the flavor. These granola bars are healthy when made with real grains, nuts, and fruits, but they are for energy, not for weight loss. In fact, you could be gaining weight if they are your go-to-go snacks. And it can be high in calories from added fats and sugar. And sugar is linked to chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Next, pour it out in a baking tray. Spread it around and then use your spoon to press it hard so that it will stick together. So honey is the glue that keeps these granola bars together. Nut butter help hold those bars together and offer protein, healthy fats, and fiber. You could also use peanut butter, almond butter, or sunflower butter will work for a nut-free option. So this is how it will look when you are done pressing it hard. Next, put it in the oven. When it's ready, bring it out from the oven and let it cool down. And then use your knife to cut it the shape and sizes you want. So that is it. It is soft and crunchy. I love this homemade quick grab and go breakfast for busy weekday mornings. These oatmeal bars are nutritious and delicious, and it is something the whole family can enjoy throughout the week. And it can last up to 5 days in the fridge. You can also store it in the freezer as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. See you all on my next one. Bye!